All right, so on this problem, what we have, again, Max sells decorative, right? Sells decorative notepads. He gets paid straight commission, 80 cents per sold notepad. In January, he sold 770. Find his commission. So all you're going to do is you're going to multiply 770 times 80 cents. Okay? 80 cents. So what you're going to do is use your calculator. So go ahead. $770 times 0.80, which is $616. $616. This is your commission. Okay? So what's your sentence? For selling 770, I'll put NP, notepads. Okay? Max will receive $616. Do you think that's a lot or that's a little? He sold 770 notepads. What do you think? Is that a lot of money? Well, it depends, huh? How long did it take him? It took him 1 month. Is it easy to sell? That's a lot of notepads, right? I'm gonna go ahead and record. So on this problem, it says Lorraine is paid a commission of $1.30 for each hand painted tile. If she sold 85 tiles last week, how much commission did she earn? So again, you're doing the same thing. Multiply. So what are we multiplying? $1.30 times 85. Sorry, 85. 85. So then now you go ahead and use your calculator and you go ahead and put $1.30 times 85, which is 110.5. So 110.5. But what I tell you that you had to do at the end? You should have a zero. So it's $110.50. So last week, sentence. Last week, Lorraine earned a commission of $110.50. Okay, there's your sentence. Bam. All right, cool. Pretty easy. Yeah, easy. All right, so again, on this one, if Leo receives a 0.075 commission for each new newspaper he sells at the newsstand, if he believes he can sell 1,200 newspapers, what will be his commission? So again, similar to the other problems, you just multiply 1,200 times 0.075, and what do we get? Times 0.075. So that's $90. 90. So Leo's commission will be $90 for selling 1,200 newspapers. Wow. Do you guys think that's a lot or a little? What do you guys think? Huh? All right, so this problem, Rascal gets a straight commission of 6% on his sales. During the month of January, his sales were 38,000. So technically what you want is you want this, what is 6% of 38,000? That's what you're saying. Now some of you guys are going to put 38,000 times 6. But remember, when we did the other problems, they gave you the dollar amount. They gave you 80 cents. They didn't give you a percent. So here, you got to do a conversion. So you got to convert the percent to a decimal. So 6 divided by 100. Okay? So use your calculator and you put 6 divided by 100, which is 0.06. So now this is 0.06. Remember, in math, of always means multiplication. So times 38,000. Now you can multiply. Y ahora sí se puede. Todo, ahorita sí se puede multiplicar. You could go ahead and multiply. So now you could use your calculator. We already have 0.06, right? It's already there. Then we're just going to put times 38,000. Don't forget, that's 3 zeros. Sometimes you'll put 4 or 2. Remember, 38,000 is 3, and that's now $2,280. So there we go, $2,280. Okay, so there you go. So, and then let's go ahead and write the sentence. So 6% of 38,000 is 2,280. So Rascal's commission will be $2,280. Bam. There's your sentence. You see that? So that's the only twist. You have to convert the percentage to a decimal. So how do you do that? You divide by 100. So the next problem is Huey receives 5.3 commission for selling tile cleaners. Last month, okay, he sold 9,500. So you want to know what is 15%, 15.3% of this. So you want 15.3% of the 9,000. Okay? So in the other ones, we didn't do of, we just did a straight bam times, you know. Well, you could have done what is 130 of 85, so you could still, of is multiply. It could be the same thing. So here, what do we do? But mister, this one already has a decimal. Yeah, but it also has a percent. So you still got to divide by 100 because it still has a percent. So again, 15, it doesn't matter. You have to divide by 100. But mister, it has a percent. I get it, but it also has a, no, it has a decimal, but it also has a percent. All right, so now you got to do it. All right, so 15.3%, 0.3 divided by 100. Oh, sorry, 15.3 divided by 100, which is now 0.153. See, you still have the decimal, 0.153 of 9,500. Now you just multiply. So I already have 0.153. So now I'm just going to multiply by 9,500. And he gets 1,453.5. So here we go. 1,453.5. And I said, whenever you get that, you have to put a 0. Okay. So now let's go ahead and write a sentence. Okay. So a good sentence would be Huey's 9,500 sales worth of sales allowed him to receive $1,453.50 commission. And that's it. Okay, and that is it for that one. Okay, so pretty easy. Pretty easy. So remember, this one is Jackie earns 12% commission on her monthly sales. So she got a monthly sale of 2,870. She got a monthly sale of 3,150. She got a monthly sale of 3,940. What's her commission? So I'll wait about a minute. What do you think I should do with this problem? If she earns 12%, there's two ways to do this. But what's one way I could do this? Anybody? Anybody? So you could do 12% of this, 12% of this, 12% of this, and then add them all together, right? You could do the long way, but what's the easiest way to do it? Anybody? Type it in if you don't want to have your voice heard. Type it in. Type it in. What should I do? Yeah, add all these three together first. Yeah, that's a good way. Add them. So let's add them all. Add all. These are all the months. So let's add them. So here we go. So let's see what we get. 2870 plus 3150 plus 3940. So I get a total of 9,960. So now you want 12% of that. So 12% of 9,960. And now you do everything you've been doing, right? You keep doing it. All right, so what do we do? Okay, I go ahead and go 12 over 100, which is 0.12, right? Make sure you use your calculator, okay? It's not 1.2, it's 0.12 of is times 9,960. All right, so here we go. So $1,195 and 20 cents. All right, and then let's just put this is her 12% commission. Jackie's 12% commission is $1,195.20. All right, there's your sentence. Jackie's commission, 12% commission is that. All right, and that's it. Okay, that's all right.